Let's be Cosmos. Let's stop being individualistic and be part of this complex system. Because we're all the same, from the moss to the cosmos.
Hey, I am Raquel, I am from Barcelona and I am in journalism.
I'm Monica, I'm from the US and I'm in research.
I'm Ian Ling from Taiwan and I'm a researcher.
I'm Tore from Germany. I'm an environmentalist and I'm in production.
And I'm Marina, I'm from Mexico, and I'm the director, photographer, and editor of this project.
We are a group of curious people, concerned about what is going on with our environment. That's why we are pursuing to become more conscious.
We want to learn and we want to share. Our idea is to gather information about the conservation of our habitat and put it all together in one platform.
We are going to post short videos, so you can see them anytime and anywhere.
The goal is to get inspired and to take action in our daily life.
You can find us on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook as BeCosmoss.
So come and join us on this journey.
Stay conscious and be Cosmos.